Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Love of Biology. Today we are going to learn about the cell cycle. Cell cycle is an sequential steps which these events by which a cell duplicates its genome, synthesizes the other constituents of the cell, and eventually divides into two daughter cells. Is termed the cell cycle. Cell cycle includes the three process: cell division takes place, DNA will replicate, and cell growth in coordinating way. Duration of cell cycle can vary from one organism to the other organism and also from a cell type to a cell type. For example, yeast cycle it is for 90 minutes and in humans it takes 24 hours. Cell cycle involves two phases. They are the interphase and the dividing phase. Let us discuss one by one. First one is the interphase. It is also called as preparatory phase where all the material will be prepared. It is divided into three further phases. So, and 90% of the cell division takes place in this interphase only. First one is the G1 phase, which does mean the gap 1 phase, corresponds to the interval between mitosis and the initiation of the DNA replication. During G1 phase, the cell is metabolically active and continuously grows but does not replicate its DNA and prepare material for the S phase, that is the synthetic phase. So, where the DNA will replicate. In the S phase, in which DNA synthesis or replication will takes place. During this time, the amount of the DNA per cell will doubles. Only amount of the DNA and not the chromosome remain, they will same. In animal cells, during the S phase, DNA replication begins in the nucleus and the centriole duplicates in the cytoplasm. Whereas in the second gap phase or the G2 phase, proteins are synthesized in preparation for the mitosis while cell growth continues. Some cells do not exhibit the division like heart cells, nerve cells. These cells enter in an inactive phase called as G0 or the quiescent phase from the G1 phase. Cells in this phase are metabolically active but they do not divide unless they are called on to do so. So, after this, if the cell enters into the dividing phase, that is the M phase, it may be the mitotic or meiotic phase. In animals, mitotic cell division is only seen in the diploid somatic cells, while in the plants, mitotic division can be seen in both haploid and the diploid cells. It is also called as equal division. Here you can see the diagram. 90% of the division taking place in the interphase, remaining 10% only takes place in the M phase. So that is the division phase G1, GS, G2 and continues the M phase. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.